Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's learn together. In this video, I'll be explaining about the Newton's interpolation formula with an example. Okay, that is nothing but Newton's forward interpolation formula. Here you can see the formula. I don't think so. I should read it again, the whole formula. Okay. So when this formula is used, that is the Newton's forward interpolation formula, it is used when the values of x are equally spaced. And suppose here you take the example, we have to determine the values of of y at x equals to 9 for the given data. This is the given data. They have given x and y. We have to determine the value of y at x equals to 9. First, what we have to check, the values of x should be equally spaced. The values of x, are they equally spaced? Yes, with an interval of h equals to 2, right? So they are equally spaced. Okay. Now, when this formula is used when the values of x lies at the starting of the table. What we have to find at x equals to 9, we have to determine the values of y, right? Now, at x equals to 9, this is 8, right? It is nearer to, that is 9 is nearer to 8, which lies between these both values. So when we should use the forward, when the values of x lies at the starting of the table. Yes, the value of x, which is 9, lies at the starting of the table. That is here, right? At starting. So we have to go for what? Forward interpolation formula. This is the forward interpolation formula. Okay, forward. Now I will start with the example. Now what we have to do, the first forward difference is subtraction of these both, right? This is y0 and this is y1. Okay, these both difference will be what? Difference will be equal to 1900 minus 1000 is 900. So this will be equal to delta y0, which is y1 minus y0. Again, the second one, 3250 minus 900, which is equals to 1350. I think this is visible, right? Again, go for the second one, 5400 minus 3250, which is equals to 2150. Again, the difference of this, 8950 minus 5400, which is 3550. Okay. So these will be the values of our first forward difference. Now we will be going for the second forward difference. Second forward difference is subtraction of these both. That is 1350 minus 900, which is equals to 450. And this will be delta square y0. Okay. Again, 2150 minus 1350, which is equals to 800. Again, 3550 minus 2150, which is equals to 1400. So this will be our second forward difference. Now similarly find the third, 800 minus 450, which is equals to 350. Again 1400 minus 800, which is equals to 600. Again 600 minus 350, which is 250. 250 is our fourth forward difference, that is del power 4 y0, and this is del power 3 y0. So this will be our forward difference values. That is first one, second, third and fourth forward differences. Now we have to substitute in the formula. Now first we will find out what is x. X is x0 plus p into h. Now what will be the p? Just derive. P is equals to x minus x0 by h, right? P is equals to, what is the x? X is 9, right? 9 minus x0. This is our x0. That is 8. x0, y0, delta square y0, delta cube y0 and delta power 4 y0. So this is our x0. That is 8. H is 2. That is the difference. So 9 minus 8 by 2, which is 0.5. P is 0.5. Now substitute P in this whole equation. Okay. I'll just erase P. I hope you'll remember P value, which is 0.5. I'll just write here. P is 0.5. Okay. Now substitute in this equation, that is y is equals to f of x. Take y naught. What is y naught? 1000. Okay. 1000 plus p. What is p? P is 0.5 into delta y naught. Delta y naught is 900 plus again what? P into p minus 1 by 2 factorial. What is p? 0.5 into 0.5 minus 1 by 2 factorial into delta square y naught. Delta square y naught is 450. Okay, plus I'm just writing the continuation here. Okay, again go for delta cube y naught. Till how many how much you have to go? Till delta n power y naught. N is our 4. We have 4 forward differences, right? So we have to go till delta power 4 y naught. Okay. Okay, so p into p is 0.5, p minus 1, 0.5 minus 1 into 0.5 minus 2. Delta cube y naught is this one, 350. 350 divided by 3 factorial plus again what? Delta power 4 y naught. Delta power 4 y naught means p into p minus 1, p minus 2, p minus n minus 1. N is 4, right? P minus 4 minus 1. So p minus of 4 minus 1 is 3. That is p minus 3 into delta power 4 y naught by 4 factorial. Okay. What is p? 0.5. 0.5 minus 1, 0.5 minus 2, again p minus 3, right? N is 4, right? For the fourth forward difference. So p minus 3 means 0.5 minus 3 into, so here I think, not this whole, okay, in whole divided by 4 factorial into delta n power y naught, that is delta power 4 y naught, which is 250. Okay, calculate this whole value, that is you will be getting y as 1405.86. so this is the value of y we have to find. So this is the value of y at x equals to 9. At x equals to 9, the value of y is 1045.86. so we have found this using the Newton's interpolation forward formula. Okay, so now we'll start with the Newton's interpolation backward formula. So this is the Newton's interpolation backward formula. Till now I think you have understood why we will be using this interpolation techniques, just to find the intermediate values. Okay, intermediate values is the middle values for the given data of x and y values. Okay, there will be slight difference with when compared with the forward and backward interpolation formula. They'll be using xn. Just see the difference, just compare the difference, only a small slight difference. Okay, and now when we'll be using this formula, or when we'll be using like how, when we'll know that we have to use forward or backward. Now coming to backward, we'll be using backward when the values of x lies below the table. Now we have to find the value of y at x equals to 9, right? X equals to 9 is here at the below of the table. That is here in between 8 and 11, right? X equals to 9 lies between here. So as it lies below the table, now we'll be using the backward difference. Okay. Now let's start calculating the backward differences. How will we be calculating? We just have to subtract it, right? 87.9 minus 94.8, which is equals to minus 6.9. And again 81.3 minus 87.9, which is minus 6.6, and 75.1 minus 81.3 is minus 6.2. This is our first backward difference values. Remember, our xn is 11 and this is our yn, and this will be our backward difference, first backward difference yn, that is 6.2. Now calculate the second backward difference, del square y, minus 6.6 minus of minus 6.9, which is minus 6.6 plus 6.9, which is 0.3. Again minus 6.2 minus of minus 6.6, which is 0.4. This will be our backward difference square yn. Again the subtraction of these both gives us 0.1. Okay. Now just see, this is our backward difference. Okay. Now this will be equal to del cube y n. Fine. Now what you have to do, you have to calculate the value of y using the Newton's interpolation backward formula. That is y is equals to f of xn plus ph. Okay. Just substitute the values and go. First we will be calculating the p value. Okay. P is x minus xn. X is 9 and xn is 11 divided by h. H is the difference between these two values. That is 2 and 5, which is nothing but the 3. Okay. Therefore the value of h is 3. Now calculate the p value. 9 minus 11 by 3, which is minus 0.66. Now just remember this, that is p is minus 0.66 only for this. Okay, I mean only for this data. Now calculate y. Y is equals to f of xn plus ph, right? Xn plus ph. Xn is 11, remember. That is, and substitute here yn. Yn is this one, 75.1 plus p is minus 0.66 into delta yn. Delta yn is minus 6.2 plus p into p plus 1 by 2 factorial. P is minus 0.66 into minus 0.66 plus 1 divided by 2 factorial. Okay. Now again plus, I'll just continue the equation here, plus p into p plus 1. P is minus 0.66 into minus 0.66 plus 1 into minus 0.66 plus 2 divide into del cube yn is this one. Where is it? Yeah, here. That is 0.1, right? Into 0.1 whole divided by 3 factorial. Only till 3 backward differences, right? Just stop till here. Okay, till del cube n. If you have fourth one, you have to just substitute here. That is n is equals to 4. And here again n equals to 4. That is p into p plus 1 into p plus 2 into p plus 4 minus 1 is 3. P plus 3 into del power n is 4. Del power 4 into y4. You just have to substitute in this formula and calculate. Now after calculating this whole equation, you will get y is equals to what? 79.1412, or just 79.14. Oh, I'm sorry. Y is equals to 79.142. So this is our value at x equals to 9. So the value of x, the value of y at x equals to 9 is 79.142. So this is all about the interpolation techniques, like one of the interpolation techniques, that is the forward and the backward. Okay. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe for more videos, and do check the playlist of mathematical transformation techniques course for all the videos I have uploaded there. Thank you. Bye.